What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up auto-reply text messages on your iPhone. Although iPhones don't have a dedicated auto-reply feature for regular use, we can use the driving focus mode to achieve this. The driving focus mode has a built-in functionality for auto-replying to messages. Open Settings on your iPhone and scroll down to tap on Focus. The focus mode is Apple's way of managing notifications, and it includes options like Do Not Disturb, Personal, Work, and Driving modes. If you haven't set up a driving focus mode before, you can create one by tapping the plus button in the top right corner and selecting driving from the list of available focus modes. If you already have a driving focus, you can simply tap on driving to customize it. Within the driving focus settings, you will see an option for auto-reply. Tap on auto-reply and you'll be presented with options for who will receive the auto-reply. You can choose to auto-reply to no one, recents, which means people you've recently contacted, favorites, or all contacts. If you want the auto-reply to go out to everyone who texts you while the driving focus is on, select all contacts. By default, the message will something like, I'm driving with focus turned on, I see your message when I get where I'm going. However, you can personalize this message to say whatever you want. To edit the message, tap on a text field and type out your custom response. Once you've set up the auto-reply message and selected who it applies to, you're ready to use it. To activate the driving focus and start sending auto-replies, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. In the Control Center, look for the focus option and tap on driving. This will activate the driving focus mode and automatically start sending your custom auto-reply to anyone who texts you. When the driving focus is active, you will see an icon at the top of your screen, either in the top left or right corner, depending on your iPhone model. This is a visual reminder that auto-reply is active. If you want to disable the auto-reply and turn off driving focus, simply swipe down to access the Control Center again. Tap on the driving option in the focus settings to deactivate it. Alternatively, you can go back into your settings, tap on focus, and manually turn off driving from there. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.